Namaste, welcome to Tathastu Holistic Health. I am Poonam Upadhyay. I am live here and today it's a sudden live and I wanted to discuss a very basic thing. So, just wanted to know who all are active, who all are live. Today we are going to speak about holistic living. What is exactly holistic living? We'll try to understand. Hi Gauri. Welcome to the live session. We all have chance to comment. Usually we work in this Insta. We are conversing with all the teams, and we are understanding each other habits, different things. So, hi Pari. Welcome to the live session. And no, I want to know who all are live and who are all are coming live. So as you know, I am a holistic health and diet mentor, and today I am going to speak about holistic living. I am a holistic. I have a holistic approach, and we are not aware about what is holistic health or living. Hi Harmeet. Hi Pari. So, what is the need of this holistic health or why it is required? Let's see, let's understand. I want few of them more to join in. Hi Ritu, how are you? Thank you for coming live. Uh, Holistic approach is the approach where we are not concerned about one layer. We are concerned about our physical, mental, emotional, all aspect, and that will give the effect slowly and steadily. But in whatever or whichever way we use it, the effect will be more will be for longer duration, and you yourself will be the king or queen and understand your own what's going on inside, and you will be a better judge. So this is our our request, or this is our intention, where you become your own leader and you understand it. So today, so we are working when we understand holistic living, when we start living a holistic life, we start understanding that all this aspect and how it all work together, and this is what we have to do. So I had few products with me, and I wanted to share with you all. We are going to do a reading label thing in this session. But before that, I wanted to know that I wanted to ask you that do you understand that how important it is then how healthy living is connected to all this? When we eat healthy, if you talk in naturopath or Ayurveda perspective, you will understand that it gives you mental clarity. So your concentration will automatically increase, your perception, how you are taking things inside, good or bad, whichever thing, that will be improved. You will have a good sense of understanding and differentiating. This all things happen. So, but when we are bound with chemicals around us, it affects us in very bad way. If we see nowadays the generation where we have all the facilities, there are more of hormonal issues, there are more of fertility issues in ladies or women. For kids, there are more of concentration issues, hyperactivity is more. So all this is related. So I have few products here. some products like toast. This is pizza and pasta sauce. Hi Aditi. This is peanut butter. This is shampoo, Dove shampoo. So I am just going to read labels for all this. Why labels? As I told you earlier that it is very okay. Oh my, is my voice is the voice clear now? Hi Rishita, how are you? So is my voice clear and loud now? Just give me a high like so that I understand that it's proper, so that I can go ahead. Okay, thank you. So love feelings, thank you. But if you write your name, that I can call you by your name. So we are talking about the holistic living and how it affects. So we are, when it is holistic approach, we use the holistic approach the way we are living or whatever thing we are doing. So we are encountering all the parts, spiritual, physical, mental. We are touching all the parts, which is not case when we are only touching one aspect or the physical form. And food has the connection with all the parts. This is what I was going to tell you in this video, and that's why holistic approach, or the approach where we have multiple things, understanding the importance is more beneficial for us. So is it clear? So due to in that perspective, I have certain products with me because I have 4 teams at my place, and dietitian doesn't mean that I am perfect, because we all are learning, as I always say, and I learn with you all. I just love learning with you all and practicing you all with all of you. So I am going to demonstrate, I am going to read the labels for some products to understand that what it has, due to which for kids the attention is less, hyperactivity has become more. For ladies, kids, children, though we have more facilities, the issues of fertility, the issue of like improper growth is more. With gents also, the consciousness or the rate of which the development should occur, that is not there. Is it connected with the food? So stay on, so that at the end, if you have any queries, you can ask it. So now I have taken this Oetker pasta and pizza sauce, and I am just reading the label. And you guys there, if you have Google around you, like you can just open the browser and type what does it mean, because we have to work together. So it has tomato paste, sugar, water, onion, refined soya bean oil, iodized oil, mixed spices, garlic, herbs. After that, all is the long list of chemicals and stabilizer which are into this, like acidity regulators, INS 260. If someone can Google and find what is INS 260 and type it around here. INS 330, 260 and 330. So this is one thing. Emulsifiers and stabilizers 322, 415. Preservatives 211, antioxidants 319. So guys, if you see the ingredients, half of this is what we understand in terms of fruit and vegetable, and half of it is only filled with preservatives, chemicals. Do you feel it is good for you? Is it good for me? Hi Abhishek, hi Uddesh, thank you for joining in. So I have given a task where you have to search in Google regulators INS 260, 330. What does it mean? which we are using in regular items thing. So you just type it out, and I am reading other products by that time. So this is the toast, Britannia toast, which is very common. We love to eat it with teas or snacks. Let's read the ingredient for this. Refined wheat flour, maida, 71%. So here, if you see the product, I am not endorsing the product because we ourselves are using it and we have to be alert. So here it is written wheat goodness. So it is written wheat goodness, and here in ingredient it is written refined wheat flour. So very cleverly the maida has been converted into refined wheat flour. And so this thing is maida only, and maida is not good for health. It is not good for your gut, and it will give you all this issue which I mentioned in the kids: attention deficiency, in concentration will be less, in males, females, some or others hormonal disturbance, and which at the end will lead to some lifestyle disorder like diabetes, blood pressure, and then at that point we say हमने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं, I don't know ये कैसा आया. But this is all the culprit. You, me, we have to be very aware what we are putting inside our body. If I read ahead, it has refined palm oil. So if I tell you to eat something which is, if I tell you to eat vanaspati or something which is very not good for your health, will you eat it? No. But this is all fancy things. In this, all that cheap things are already there, and we are loving it, right? So if I take a straw, you imagine you are taking a straw, and in that straw you are putting ghee, you are putting oil, everything, which is very sticky. Sometimes it's so sticky that even you cannot, after washing with soap also, the hands have that oily feeling. So imagine you have so many arteries, veins, nerves, and this unhealthy oil will pass through each and every muscle, nerve. What will be the condition of your body? So after that, is it not? This is not the scenario that today I have eaten and tomorrow I've forgotten. This is the daily schedule. So the body is getting this dirty or unnecessary oil for almost in form of daily dose. So how will be your muscles? So that if I'm putting oil in a day and I am feeling that stickiness with washing also with soap. So what will be the condition of our organs? How much garbage will it take, right? We have to think that way, that our body is not a garbage, that we are taking all this thing. So yeah, Ritu is telling it's really good to see someone talking exactly like me and started working on ingredients of product. Yeah, thank you so much. You all are only the inspiration. And yes, we have to make all people aware about these facts and build a healthy community. This is peanut butter. So palm oil is not at all good for health, and we should avoid it completely. And almost all the packaged food has this palm oil, and the chemical stabilizers are not good for your health. This is food product, okay? Now I am coming to a shampoo we all are using. I'm trying to change, but yes, somewhere or others the chemicals are always there in our lifestyle. Like it has become parts and parcel of our life. So now your oil, we are not working very tremendously that our hair needs so much of chemicals to clean. We just apply oil and that pollution is there, right? But what you see this, the ingredient list is only you what we can read is chemicals like sodium water, sodium laurate, sulfate, dimethycanol, glycerine, cocomidea, mia. You will not understand, even I am not understanding half of it. Is this much amount of chemicals required by my body? Is this much amount of chemicals is required by my hair to is it so dirty? We have to think, you have to think, I have to think, we have to find a solution that these things are not good. They are just harming our immune system, they are just harming our body, and we have to be clever enough to understand our own good and act accordingly. So I want to end in this form where I request all of you to go to your kitchens, to your bathrooms, and everywhere where you can go, and list down the products which are available in your hello Achil, thank you for coming live. So you have joined from between. Do see the video and do the activity which I am requesting all of you to do. Even I will try to do it. And the thing is, you have to go to your kitchen, you have to go to your fridge, you have to go to your bathroom and read the labels and see what ingredients are chemical laden, and you have to write the names. It can be a beauty product, it can be a food product, it can be a toothpaste, anything. It can be a perfume, it can be anything, the the cream which you are using. Just list down. Let's consciously understand this thing and apply it. Let's see how we can change it. So good, Achil. I know you stay in Nityanand. Thank you. It's my pleasure if you are admiring me. Yeah, yes. So this is the task for this week, and next week I am going to come with my list. I am going to tell my teens to make a list what products they are using, and I request you to use that list so that we can discuss again and again, consciously create a healthy environment and understand what impact it has in our body, and let's break that chain and let's live a healthy life, because this will give you a good immunity. Yes, and yeah, mineral oils, as Ritu is requesting about mineral oils. So we are going to have a Facebook live session next week probably, where we are going to discuss about mineral oils and cold pressed oils. So why cold pressed oil are good and what are cold pressed oil. Many of them are not aware about what is cold pressed oil. So if you are there in Facebook, do like the Tathastu Holistic Health page, and for the dates verification when it will be conducted. But this topic will be taken by one expert whom I will be questioning, who is in the field of making cold pressed oil and who knows that why cold pressed oil are good. So this will be a very enlightening session. So we will talk about the oils in that session. And yes, after that, one more thing I had. Suppose this things we use peanut butter, because we like bread, we use this packaged thing. I have prepared a sheera. So this is like I have added a little jawar flour to it in rava, and I added little, as it is monsoon, I have added raw ginger powder and some nuts to it. You can roll it in form of laddu and I can have it in a same form. So instead of taking so much of chemicals, what is wrong in taking a cup of Shira? Yeah, means I've added sesame seeds, so it's full of calcium and no preservative. It's hot. It didn't take much time. So think that what we can do and why we need all this stuff. And with that, okay. So Achal, do you want to come live? Okay. So I thought that you have. So if you want to come live, we give the opportunity to all the members who come here, who they can go live with their questions so that I can answer them. Not me, I'm so sorry. We all can answer them together. So if you want to come live this week or next week, do let me know. Do message me. We will definitely put you on live and solve your queries. So if you want to come live now, I will just try once. So I hope this session helped you, and this list we all will prepare together and see the benefits of it consciously. So we have Artil live with us. Her video is still uploading. Hi Achil.
I
So I cannot see you. So is there any network issue? Any queries? I think she has some network issue. So she again left, but she would like to come live again. So let's go live next week with you, so that if you have any queries, we can solve that queries. And I will request you also to make a list, and let's come. And no issues, Achal, no issues. It's all right. You can come live next week. Not an issue. So next week, be ready with your list. Do send me if you want on my messenger, or just tag me if you can put it on your Insta page, so that we come to know how we can work consciously. Yes, Achal. Yes, we all are there. We do that only. We have we take some teams, and we discuss it amongst ourselves, and then we serve you, and whatever you like, you can take it. So with that note, I will end today's session. Thank you for all your love and support. Keep loving and supporting me in the same way. Let's grow together. Namaste.